Picture this. It's the end of the month and your bank account is doing that thing where it pretends it doesn't know you. You can almost see it wearing sunglasses, just slowly backing away from you. But here's the good news. If you can save just $25 a week, that's about $3.50 a day, that adds up to $1,300 a year. And today, I'm giving you 30 simple ways to do it without having to live on a diet of rice and sadness. And you'll want to stay with me because tip number 27 is my absolute favorite. It's the one where we turn random junk you already own into real, actual cash. All right, let's start with the place most budgets quietly go to die: food. First up, tip number 1, make coffee at home. If you just buy coffee out 1 or 2 times less per week, that's instant progress. The key is to make it automatic. Set the machine the night before so it's like having a loyal butler ready to serve you first thing in the morning. That alone can put $3 to $10 back in your pocket. Tip number 2, bring your lunch to work just 2 days a week. The secret is to batch cook once and then you get to eat twice. 2 packed lunches can easily cover your entire $25 goal before Wednesday even hits. Think of your lunch container as a little superhero wearing a cape, saving your budget. That's an easy $10 to $20 saved. Tip number 3, carry a reusable water bottle. Seriously, those gas station drinks are like tiny financial assassins just sneaking up on your wallet. They look harmless, but they add up. Bring a bottle from home and stop paying the convenience tax. That's another $5 to $15 a week. Tip number 4, plan 3 dinners before you go grocery shopping. Most overspending starts with that dangerous phrase, "I'll just figure it out later." Plan 3 specific dinners, buy only the ingredients for those, and you'll waste way less food and money. Tip number 5, do one pantry night every week. 1 night a week, the rule is you have to eat what you already own. Pasta, frozen stuff, those mystery cans in the back of the cupboard, you know the ones labeled with just 3 question marks. Maybe it's chili? We're in survival mode here, and it saves you $5 to $12. And tip number 6, replace one food delivery with what I call lazy home food. I'm not saying you have to cook a gourmet meal from scratch. I'm just saying don't pay for the delivery plus the fees plus the tip. A frozen meal, a sandwich, some eggs, whatever it is, it's cheaper. That delivery app is basically a vacuum cleaner sucking money right out of your account. All right, just mastering the food category alone could get you to $25. But the next bucket is all about money you can save without changing your day-to-day routine at all. We're talking about bills. Tip number 7, cancel one subscription you forgot even existed. Open your bank app right now, scroll through the charges until you find one that makes you go, "Wait, who is that?" It's like finding a little subscription gremlin hiding behind your bank statement. Cancel it. That's an instant $5 to $20 back every single month. Tip number 8, pick one streaming service per month. You don't need all of them all the time. Rotate them. Watch what you want on one, then cancel and switch to another next month. Picture all the streaming service logos fighting it out in a tiny arena for your attention. Only one can win each month. Tip number 9, call your internet provider. Just say these magic words. "Hi, I'm thinking of switching providers. What's your best current rate?" Be polite, be patient, but be persistent. It's amazing how often a loyalty discount chest gets unlocked when they think you might leave. This can save you $10 to $40 a month. Tip number 10, switch to a cheaper phone plan. If you're paying premium prices for a plan you just use for basic texting and scrolling, your phone plan is robbing you in 4K. Check out smaller carriers or just the cheaper tiers from your current one. Here's a quick challenge for you. Comment $25 wherever you're listening and I'll pin a starter checklist with the easiest 5 of these to do today. No fluff, just the hits. Okay, tip 11, shop your car insurance. This takes maybe 15 minutes. Rates change all the time, and your loyalty doesn't get you a trophy. It often gets you a higher bill. Compare quotes every so often. Don't let that insurance mascot hold a sign that says, "Thanks for overpaying." And tip number 12, lower your electric bill with 2 tiny switches. First, use LED bulbs. Second, practice thermostat discipline. Your thermostat is the king of your house. It's wearing a crown and quietly controlling your finances. A few degrees difference can save you $5 to $20 a month. Okay, now we attack the sneakiest category of them all, shopping habits.
This is the place where those little $7 purchases multiply like rabbits. Tip 13. Use the 24-hour rule for non-essentials. You see something you want? Put it in the online cart and just wait one day. If you still want it just as much tomorrow, it's probably a real want. If not, you've just watched your impulse goblin dissolve after 24 hours. Tip 14. Unsubscribe from buy now emails. Let's be honest, those marketing emails are basically just a daily message saying, "Hello, would you like to be a little bit poorer today?" Unsubscribe from your biggest triggers. Tip 15. Shop with a list and always eat first. Never, ever go grocery shopping hungry, because hungry you has the financial judgment of a raccoon in a bakery, just gleefully pushing a cart filled with nothing but cookies. Tip 16. Switch 5 of your staple items to the store brand. Things like pasta, rice, canned goods, cleaning supplies. The store brand is almost always just as good and way cheaper. Tip 17. Use a fun money cap. Give yourself a weekly limit for all the random stuff. Snacks, that weird thing on Amazon, little treats. When the money is gone, it's gone. It's like your wallet has a tiny bouncer at the entrance saying, "Sorry, not tonight." And finally, tip 18. Price check before you buy. Before you purchase anything that isn't an emergency, just check one other store, or even just search the product name online. It takes 30 seconds. We're getting close. We're about to hit the have fun without going broke section. And remember, tip 27 is coming up, where we turn that clutter in your house into actual cash. Tip 19. Replace one night out with a night in. Restaurants are fun, but a huge chunk of your bill is just paying for the vibes. Host a casual night at home. Everyone brings something, and you'll avoid that jump scare moment when the bill arrives. Tip 20. Movie night at home. Going to the theater for 2 people can get wild price-wise. At home, the popcorn costs pennies, and your couch doesn't charge you for parking. Tip 21. Use your library like it's a cheat code for life. Books, audiobooks, movies, it's all free. Your library card is basically a piece of downloadable content for unlimited knowledge that costs $0. Tip 22. Pause one paid app for 30 days. Your fitness app, your meditation app, that premium weather app, just pick one and pause the subscription. If you truly miss it, you can always reactivate it later. Tip 23. Combine your errands into one trip. One weekly errand run is way better than 3 or 4 mini runs. You use less gas and you face less temptation to make those little extra purchases. You don't want to see your car literally crying at the gas pump again, do you? And tip 24, a boring but effective one. Keep your tires properly inflated. It's not glamorous, but underinflated tires waste a surprising amount of fuel. It takes 2 minutes and gives you real savings. All right, now for the final bucket. We lock in the system. This is the stuff that makes saving automatic, so you don't have to rely on motivation, which is, let's be honest, is basically a flaky roommate. Tip 25. Automate $25 a week like it's a bill. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings that happens every payday. If you never see it, you won't spend it. It's like it just teleports into your savings with a little yoink. This one is a guaranteed win. Tip 26. Put a sticky note on your credit or debit card. Write on it, "Do I need this today?" It sounds silly, it feels a little weird, but it works. You'll see your credit card start to sweat. And here it is, tip number 27. Sell 5 things you don't use. Go through your home right now and pick 5 items. Old clothes, an electronic gadget you upgraded from, that weird kitchen appliance still in the box. List them online. This is money you already spent just coming back home. Imagine your closet just vomiting out all the stuff you never use, and cash pops out. This can be a one-time boost of $25 to $200 or more. Tip 28. Do a weekly 10-minute money check-in. Once a week, just look at where your money went. You don't have to judge it, just look. Awareness alone is like a magnifying glass that catches those little $8 snack gremlins before they can escape. Tip 29. Stop comparison spending. Social media is a highlight reel, and it's often sponsored by debt. Don't fall for it. The only person you're in competition with is the you from yesterday. And finally, tip number 30. Have one no-spend day per week. Pick one day. On that day, there's no shopping, no food apps, no little quick purchases. Just one day. You'll be amazed how fast it adds up. It's like putting a little suit of armor on that day in your calendar. And that's it. 30 ways to find an extra $25 a week without becoming a coupon clipping monk. But the real magic isn't the $25, it's the identity you build. You become someone who handles their money on purpose. Don't try to do all 30 at once. Start with 3 this week. Then next week, add 2 more. And if you're ready for the next step, think about this: how to build a $1,000 emergency fund fast. Because once you've got that buffer, that little shield, life stops being able to charge you panic fees when it throws those unexpected fireballs your way.